Hey yo, what's up Rwanda, what's popping Kigali, nizere kuri amahoro kandi uri kugenda first sana ngo haikaze muri episode indi kandi ya one on one. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, super excited, super happy, ndi guseka ndi kumwenyura because ndishimye bya hatari. Mugiye kubanganira nawe. He's one of them, very talented, super amazing. Muramuzi cyane. This guy ni nk'umutungo w'igihugu, ne sanse n'ubutaka. This guy ameze nk'idarapo nk'izuba muri ryo. This guy after talent, after reason, after focus, after purpose, after now audience serving. Ladies and gentlemen, he's a free soul. Ngino nguhuze nawe yitwa AMALON in the building. Hello.
Hey, bro, like, je put up like, it's a compliment, but I'm happy I'm here. I'm alone in here. What's poppin', man? Yeah. Nice to see you, my people. Nice to meet my brother. By the way, I'm my bro. Yeah. I mean, that's a little bit weird, but we finally here. We're here, man. Yes, man.
Currently, iyo umuntu arebye socials zawe, Instagram, TikTok n'ahandi, ku muntu ufite ishusho rya music, arabona ko ari igihe cya AMALON, arabona ko it's your time now. Ese uko tubibona cyangwa se mbibona, niko biri kuri side yawe?
I think, they'll be feeling somehow, yeah, because, mazije chini ndikwiteguye at this period, so, I think, niko bimeze.
Iyo nkurebye mbona ni igihe cyageze, iyo ndakurebye abona noneho ni igihe cyageze. Ni AMALON arafata post akayishyira Instagram, a lot of comments ziri positive, short videos zawe zigapushingwa zikagera kure cyane, umuntu abona ko it's a time. Ariko se what you doing, uri hura kuri kugira ngo ibyo babonamo abantu cyangwa se ibyo yumvamo bizameeting reality?
Yeah. Right now, by the way, amashimwe menshi ku bafana banje for always being there. Bahora bahari, they push me. Ntago bajya bampa umwanya wo gukora iki wo niyo ngerageje kurangara, they were like, yeah, they push me always. So thank you for all of you. Ikindi MVP, yeah. MVP maze umwaka muzima, you know, maze umwaka muzima hafi nta dropping a music. Ndi kwitegurira album, like my very first album, yeah. Mu myaka igera muri irindwi ku munani kuri mainstream, singers. So numvaga igihe kigeze nyine cyo kuya, you know, cyo elevating gakeya. Yeah, so niyo mpamvu so the album as we speak is ready. Ubu tugeze mu gihe cyo rolling out, cyo kuyisora, and we are dropping the first song indirimbo ya mbere kuri album. Yeah, ubu ngubu tuvugana, I think audio iri hanze everywhere. Video ndaza kuyi dropping like officially 14th, tariki 14 kwa. Yeah, so wumve ko wari umwaka nyine wo nandi gutegura, you know, kugerageza kuba ready, because I had plans to, you know.
Uri mu bantu bagize cyangwa se bagira urungo kugira indirimbo umuntu yakita ko ziba nziza cyane ku mpande z'abantu zose, bituma kubona umuntu avuga breakthrough yawe byamugora nk'umuntu. Kuri side yawe breakthrough yawe cyangwa se indirimbo yitwa breakthrough kuri wowe niye?
Like kuri mainstream urebye yambi yatumye connecting n'abanyarwanda benshi, yambi ifite ukuntu yabikoze urebye.
Lyrics zo muri yambi zihuriye he na reality?
Nta na hamwe kuri njyewe, ariko ku bantu benshi nizo gusa.
Is a part of ngo abaye mu yedi ibatsinda naho biranga.
Yeah. Not really. I didn't. I didn't, man. Oh yeah.
Abantu bari bavuze yo bagira bakugire harimo sympathy bavuga yo mu yedi umujama.
Like izo mbaraga za creativity na art, you know. Ugerageza kwimitating life story undi muntu, ukayidramatiza nyine. Yeah.
Rebo ya mbere wabayemo niba mbyibutse neza yitwa 1K Entertainment, yari iri kure no yitwa Rukabuza Pius cyangwa se DJ Pius. Niyo rebo ya mbere?
Oh yeah, nageze nahuye na DJ Pius mvuye muri Green Ferry, yeah. Green Ferry kwa Dr. Nganje. Byaramenyekanye cause mu Rwanda tugira industries hafi eshatu, my bro, yeah. Habamo trench, habamo abapeti muri underground, hakabamo like middle, hakaba n'abandi bita some big stuff, yeah. So muri underground kwa underground kings, yeah.
So underground ni ibintu bitamenyekana, bimenywa n'abanyirabyo cyane kuruta abo basavinga.
Oh yeah, ntago bimenywa n'abanyirabyo, ahubwo like underground idilinga cyane mu rubyiruko, mu bana b'ishuri, let's say high school kids. abasana abana bo muri high school bakunda ugiye ukamubaza ukabaza n'umuntu wundi like umuntu usanzwe kuri tele yeah so underground buri ibolinga muri high school cyane no mu ba teenager yeah umusani wa mbere ku ba teenager si wa mbere ku bantu bose yeah
bivuze ngo ariko bijyanye n'imikoranire ya underground kings n'abandi bose nibyo byatumye maybe ushaka switching ukajya kwa Pius.
Yeah, trust me nuvuga ngo nari nkeneye Green Fairy twari dufite ukuntu turi benshi yeah the likes of Bushari, Nganji, Betray, the Ice Novas, Redings. Twari abantu benshi ukuntu yeah kandi producer rumwe yari Nganji you know kandi commercially nari nkeneye kugira you know kubondinga no ku you know no kwagura ugakeya guhura n'abandi ba you know bagabo bakuru so yeah niyo mpamvu
yambu yikora wari muri situation imeze gute ese process kugira ngo ikorwe yakozwe nande ibyavuye muri yambi warabye expectingaga
ikintu kimwe nari nzi yambi nayikoze imeze nk'uri guswitchinga sound nari ndi guswitchinga sound nyine ndi kugerageza kumendinga nyine sound nyarwanda you know no ku ishi sound impact wise yarabikoze cause it blew me out like yatumye mu matwi y'abanyarwanda benshi ya making a difference you know yeah ariko yeah I mean expectations sinavuga ngo ni mucho but like yeah I mean yarabinkoreye producer yakozwe na Izo Pro yeah
yego ubugiye muri 1K entertainment utatinze cyane uvamo wongera kuba
narahatinze bro 3 years man 3 active years yeah that's a lot of a long period of time 3 like ni ibaje muri niba ufite contract imyaka 3 you know ukabuminga mu mezi 5 ya mbere isn't that a long period of time I mean look bivuze ngo uraza kumara 3 years muri ku earninga so that's maybe on the side I mean nuvuga ngo you don't need to earn like much yeah ariko niba contract tangiye kuba fruitful mu mezi 3 ya mbere cyangwa ne ya mbere no bivuze ngo amezi 2 mu myaka 3 urumva harimo imyaka 2 n'amezi angahe almost arindwi ya fruit yeah so nagari gihe gito.
So here's my question ubuvuye muri label rero utangiye ubuzima bwa kuba independent artist bamwe bati kuba yaravuye muri 1K entertainment byaramwafects musically nta hit yongeye kubona byabaye ibibazo byakomeye urabona yazimye a lot of rumors around ukuri kw'ibintu kubi
like hano hanze hari ikintu bita demokrasiya abantu bagomba kuvuga opinions zabo uko bazumva nuko babibona kandi nturakare ukabyumva gutyo ya so igihari nuko igihe kirangiye yeah boy dem yarakeneye ku moving on ya nuvuga ngo ntago byari bibi ya ariko nayo nkeneye biri better yeah you know so ni nkuko nabisobanura just I needed a fresher move a better move yeah
so niwe wavuye muri label
of course man
there was no termination of contract and
I mean I requested for the termination of the yeah
I got you
yeah
so ikaze muri one on one normally one on one banateguye amafoto y'abantu batandukanye right yego uramureba umenye ko mvuga ibintu bitatu niyo utamenye ndamugufasha tukamenyana
okay oh we can do that
hold it for yourself
sure Pius, my G. Pius is my cousin, man. He's my brother. Yeah, yeah. My bro, Angie Kabisa. No major danger. I mean, game changer. Genius guy. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Kasuku himself, man. Dope guy. Yeah, he's a dope entertainer, man. At the end. Yeah. I mean, career-wise, kumenya you know what you do then. We good. Shadia Boo, yeah. I mean, crazy girl. I mean, yeah. I mean, yita queen, kwa. And Nanji kamite queen, nacho wibi bora kora the dance. Yeah. Sure.
So do you even know this person?
Yeah, my friend. Hello, he's Papa Changwe. Yeah, he's a dope guy too, dope rapper. Yeah. Character, hago tuzira nye deep, but mbonari okay, yeah. Dope guy, Okama, yeah. Uh-huh. N'umuntu wadanje. Fata all of them, man. Ntushobora gutegura abantu beje, I mean, badafite ikibazo. I thought ko we were really crashy, but all of them are dope niggas, bro. Kenny Soul, my bro. I mean, all of them. Dope artist. Good performer. And what else? My friend. Yeah.
This guy.
You know, man. Nicho shimwe nturamungu vuyemo is my bro, is my friend. Yeah. Yamhano, yeah. I mean, dope boy. I could say my bro. I mean, now again, go Muri positive vision. Abantu bose uri kunyereka bararenze. Yeah. Himself, the tiger, man. Bro, what can I say? A gentleman, creative, and yeah, he tries to live up to the standards. Yeah, Kuba pop star, birarenze. Yeah, urban boys. My bros, man. Nizoni bro anje, Hamboni my bro, Nagonzira neza na Safi, but back then they were so up there. Connectivity, bafite ukuntu bahuzaga kabisa nyine umwe yavagamo ukabona nyine bifite ukuntu, yeah. One Pius, man, yeah, tall man. Undi muji wadanje kwa, yeah, it's nothing much, man. Dope guy. Nina, Charlie, my friends, man, Nabajiwa, and you know, like, yeah, it's been a minute, but yeah.
All these people are friends.
Yeah, man.
Weird.
One Dumba, Ungu Nutarumu, Nagoturi closed. It's not weird. How? Why? What would you call it?
Keep preaching.
One Dumba. Dumba, yeah. Beautiful entertainer. Beautiful media guy too. Yeah. Nuvugango. Wanyiritsa abantu nyine baba, I mean, abami kabisa mu biboro byabo. Yeah, another internet guy, one Babalao, yeah. Yeah, man, nundi mujina ufite opinion ziwe nyine agenderaho. Yeah, I respect him for that. Sky 2 na ino, he's been my friend for long, you know. Mazije chini ninzi Sky 2 like 101. So, numpeti wa danje na kuva kera. Yeah. One Fasasi, my brother. Yeah, man, my Georgie was really kunyereka, bro. Boys. Yeah. Maji Fasasi, One Fasasi. Sorry, yeah, Jizib Jago a few days ago, but he's a genius. He's a yeah, no more game changer now. Musically back then, no musically, style you now you're really game changing. Cause I mean, everyone, he's a guy. Yeah, bro. Yeah, said mjite good. Like I show ninga sacrifice injana, you know. Yeah, so sometimes, yeah, styles. Yeah, I mean, kumita sacrifice injana vuango femi with the hano jeje nyine like stories you was also just stories was unfolding. Ze ibiboro byose byamubayeho bifite ukuntu nyine byasigi legitimizing the rap game, you know, rap game if tabanu ibitangaza. So that guy is one J Pauly, man. Yeah.
You know him?
Luano Austin, I know him. Yeah. Dope guy, dope media guy, business guy. A business minded danje. Yeah. Kalfan. Yeah. Now you know dope rapper. Yeah. Yeah. Pop star, my guy. Now, Kevin Kadeni pop star, Danju, I mean, we're all fans, you know? Yeah, so he's up there. Yeah, Green P, my brother too, my friend. Big rapper, I mean, up there at the dance.
This person?
Zio, I mean, crazy top guy, like game changer. Yeah, man, drip nigga. Yeah, I mean, respect, man. My God. Like, well, my umaga now I'm inchi. Don't know, it's crazy how Titi Brown, yeah, I know the guy, man. Maji ekusi njendo Robi's kondi kavuchire kucharo my guy, but now everyone, man. Yeah, trust me. One Buddha came like, yeah, maestro, maestro de vibras, like, yeah, he's my brother too. Big rapper, big guy, big personality. Yeah. Theo, yeah. I mean, Theo, yakanyujijeho quoi. Yeah, yakanyujijeho. Yeah, I mean, nagari byinshi nzi kuri we ariko, I mean, musically nzi ko ebana he did wave, yarawavinze gace. Yeah. Is this Marina?
Yeah, sure.
Makeup zamu twisting, you know, but yeah, she's a diva too, man. Numu diva, she's been there. Arimo ba kobwa nyine bache ba sustaining igihe kinini hejuru ya game, so she's a diva, man. Yeah. My bro, LA, yeah, man, LA. Mazimyaka, really funny. I mean, I've been knowing this boy for long, you know. Chinini, and I love this development. I mean, he's a dope kid, yeah. 1G tough, yeah. I know everybody, man, cause yeah, uvuga numwana nyine wa yeah saga nyinshi yeah life story ya mugizi wariwe and okay. He's dope, yeah.
This person.
Yeah, Micho, no, really my friend. He's my bro too. Yeah, he's dope artist, a dope artist. Yeah, nuvuga yeah.
This person.
One butera Queen Knowless. I mean, you already know. Yeah, when you tuvuze ku nyine go playing kuri high level ije chinini. Yeah. Like we speak of butera Knowless, and like she's been up there for quite long, man. She's respect to her.
Do you know this person?
Clapton, my friend too. Yeah. Nuvuga hitmaker senderi nago turaura na rimwe ariko yeah niji personality chirenze, like I would love to meet him in person. Yeah.
This person.
King James, big boy too, senior artist, business personality. Yeah, man, nuvuga respect to him now. Yeah. Meddy. Big one, yeah. I mean, category easy some the band type of level, you know. So Nobaji but then zip dance. Yeah. Farman, dope rapper. Yeah. Yeah. Dope rapper. I don't know. He has a crazy personality, and my brother, One Bush, yeah. My bro, only I mean twin, my no twin wanje, no mushumi wanje to the fullest. Yeah.
This person.
Yeah, 1 year ago, dope boy too. Baba benshi ya gusa renze nyine ni no bafitanye story, like we have some yeah Rocky man, yeah, game changer. Game changer, business person too. Yeah.
You know this person?
Everybody knows this guy. Everybody knows this guy, like super manager.
Yeah.
I'm a G, I know all of them. I'm a G, business guy. Yes, man. I mean,
this is crazy. This is person.
Like Jihad, yeah? Yeah. Media guy, dope guy, yeah.
This person.
My sister, Butea, like,
Nice.
no, Anita Pendo, yeah, please, Anita Pendo. Peter, yeah. Scovia, Mama Rwagasabo, like, big woman, big lady, wise lady, yeah.
This person.
The coach, I know him, Bossman, yeah, man. One Bruce, like, respect. I mean, no. Like, some boy, like, some who I know him too. Yeah. One ish, man.
Something on age.
Crazy rapper, game changer. Yeah. Crazy personality, yeah. Jolly, yeah. Mbonyi.
Something.
Game changer, yeah. I mean, the gospel game, you're twisting, the kuri level, really beautiful. So he's a game changer. Yeah. Brian, dope DJ, yeah, crazy girl, but yeah, dope. Oh, himself. Yeah. His Excellency, game changer, like Muri game, you have a leader. After kunyine, muba leader bose bamubanjirije apana hano mu Rwanda gusa globally. I mean, he's so different, yeah. I mean, look, he at role modeling to the bench. So I mean, respect to the afande. Yeah.
And then that what part one ku mafoto, and then AMALON art yawe ugiye gusobanura art yawe kubera ko you are this kind of person, you got zero pressure by'abantu bavuga ntago bavuga ngo to dropping indirimbo to impress them people. You take your time.
I do. Look, I don't care about my fans. Yeah.
How do you drive your art?
First of all, art niko kazi nkora, you know. Nuvuga ngo akazi ukora iyo ukabonemo pressure akenshi ntago kabara kawe, you know. So ngerageza finding a safety, a peace, you know, through mu kazi kanje, you know. Nuvuga ngo nje ninumva ntari ready, no matter what everybody thinks, you know. I mean, ngomba kuba ndi ready physically, mentally. Yeah, so nigutyo just ngerageza gushakisha amahoro muri, you know, in my business. Yeah.
AMALON, ukeka ko iyi propaganda ihari idafite hishingi, idafite na facts, hahandi umuhanza stepping back cyangwa batagikora cyane kucyetazi cyuka cyangwa se agenda ivuga ko the artist are addicted mu biyobyabwenge, aranywa urumogi, aranywa stuff. What, like, do you think ko wumva biterwa n'iki?
Simbies, just ariko maybe the knowledge, some people abantu bamwe bazi nyine ibintu bikenya baziko maybe it's the only hobby cyangwa ariyo occupation. People have a lot of things to do, you know. Ushobora kuva kuri main scene ukajya kuburi gucuruza gukora kuri money, yeah. Nuvuga ngo ahubwo case why impamvu ba rotating kuri negativity ibyo be highlighting like the negativity in some of the people, but all in all nobwo ko turi muri democracy, everybody umuntu ayemerewe ku expressing feelings yiwe nukabyumva, so that's what's up.
Do you think ko kuba artist cyangwa se kuba umuntu yaramenyekanye like you cyangwa se ngewe cyangwa nabandi bazwi nubwo byabaga, do you think ko being a superstar sometimes hari igihe urenganywa cyangwa se uhohoterwa bitewe n'iryo zino ufite?
Ntago ari kurenganywa, twabyita kurenganywa iyo bikugizeho like physical harm, yeah. No wundi bivugwa bira ntago like iyo bigezeho bikugeraho bakufunga maybe and stuff ango burenganya, ariko hari umuntu wavuze ngo amakuru mabi sometimes acuruza kimwe nk'ameza, you know. It just yeah, I believe that, yeah, I believe that because publicity abantu benshi uzi bari everywhere banabona, you know, publicity sometimes ni publicity ariko nanone game iri crazy, you know, ntago amenya intentions abantu bose, yeah.
So AMALON, you've been there, ntago umaze igihe gito muri game, ariko se can you compare the introduction stage yawe cyagihuza na currently introduction stage y'abandi artists bo mu Rwanda, ubwo tunamana the whole picture ya game muri rusange?
Back then byari biri crazy ho gatoya because music yari kiri a little bit complex, usabwa nyine kwicara uka crafting music iri nyine iri concrete, yeah. Byari biri hard ho gatoya, promotion wise, media wise, byari bikomeye. Ubu ngubu evolution Afrobeats aho yaziye, music yabaye catchy hooks, catchy melodies, you understand, yeah. Nanone bisigaye bishingiye kuri income, money, yeah. If you have your money biroroshye kuba wa buying to each and stages zose, like hari igiciro runaka cyakugeza kuri buri stage, but back then you had to have the money, yes, ariko wagombaga no kuburi stiff, you know, because like nibwo umuntu nka The Ben yarakiri muri prime yewe, nibwo ba Meddy bari bakiri muri prime bakora like crazily, you know. So kugira ngo uzu making any sort of difference, you had to dig deep, you know. Ariko right now nyine nabwiye ko bya ushingiye kuri evolution ya Afrobeats na simplicity na simple music na money zawe yo gatoya, you're up there, so urumva ntaho bihuriye. It's kano kanya n'ubwenge, ushyiramo some brains and a lot of money, you feel me, yeah. So hari difference iri huge, yeah.
Mfasha kumva opinion yawe kuri ino ngingo, umubano w'umuhanzi, ubwo ndavuga na artist uririmba cyangwa se rapper n'itangazamakuru ryaba iryandika cyangwa se rivuga mu bantu b'aba artiste na media houses urabona bihagaze bite so far?
So far si bibi ariko nyine media ifite ukuntu nyine ntagi I mean irigenga ariko maybe ishobora kuba itaragira nyine enough income and stuff ukabona hakiriho nyine issue yo kuba influenced mu bintu bavuga yeah so they some of them baracyari influenced mu biboro bavuga nta ni bake bavuga what they believe yeah ikibazo.
I'm one of them people. I know how it works like. Aho usanga umu artist afite team abezinzeho kuba yavuga inkuru nziza kuri AMALON bigaragara nka threat ku muhanzi bakorana. Like this kind of unprofessionalism dufite cyangwa se itugaragaraho byafecta bingana gute mu Kinyarwanda?
Bro, like iyo uri kuvuga ngo uri gukora ejo ndi mu nama ya Grammy urumva hasabwe yuko like to raising aba millionaires, you know, runaka bivuye muri music, you understand, to be eligible hosting ibintu nk'ibi Grammy n'ibiki bivuze ngo kugira ngo tujye kuri iyo niveau hari sort ya professionalism igomba kuzamo muri buri dimension ya game, yeah. So iyo haje mu nyine jumpy stuff, then beteens a progress, you know, yeah.
Game y'u Rwanda yarakuze cyangwa iracyagerageza
gukura mu mibare yarakuze, of course, because I'm sure yuko abafana uko banganaga 2010 interest yarakuze na influence ya music yarakuze, ibyo game bigira nini unarebye na let's say the ibishoro abana bari gushora muri music ubona progress yarakuze. Singiye kuvuga kuri kote art cyangwa iki ariko game muri rusange so far so good compared to like 10 years back. Yeah.
Mu Rwanda niho honyine usanga management houses cyangwa se labels banyirazo the owners bashaka kuba banini kurusha aba artiste cyangwa se bafata imyanzuro.
I'm not sure about that, but normally sometimes ari usanga nyine label ifite umuntu nka nk'umudon jazzy, umuntu ari munini ku giti cyiwe personally, yeah. You feel me, yeah? Ariko mu Rwanda sinzi ko bimera, simbizi ko baruta ama label ariko ntago byaba making a sense nyine kuvuga ngo ugiye gukora label ushaka, you know, nta nugo kwanza uvuga ngo label ni iki, ni nka kindergarten, ni nka pépinière, yeah. Take nyine uyishinze na ukayitujyamo nyine ukaba, you know, ukayizamukiramo kwa, you know, gusa umuntu agira hashinga pépinière yararenze nyine some utuntu duto nk'utwo, yeah.
Then AMALON, what's next move? Twabonye a teaser kuri social media, Instagram n'ahandi. When is the project is coming?
Tariki 14th already audio iri playing iri live kuri digital platforms also. Audiomack, Spotify, Deezer, Apple Music, everywhere. Urumva ho yasohotse 12th tariki 12 hari Sunday, yeah. Ariko nyine kubera iyo sake ya awareness nago abantu benshi bari aware ya project. Urumva let's say abantu following abo bashobora kuba bari aware ariko u Rwanda rwose nago following, you know. So I had nari nkeneye iyo sort ya awareness 1 or 2 days zo ku you know, zo kubyutsa my people, then I dropped the official audio. But as we speak, the song is finally like officially out, you know. Kandi track ya mbere kuri off ivuye kuri album ya kuri MVP ni tape igizwe na project n'imishinga 12 na n'indirimbo 12. So urumva I have some collabs, one nimwariko. Okay, let's keep it that way. Urumva ni roller coaster, it's going to be a long run, yeah. So yes, ntago twashoboraga ku, you know, yeah. So that's how.
Nyemerera nkwegukane
Cause they can naba young boys want fake. Jangwino nguhe love us boy, cause I've been feeling this loving. Nyemerera nkore kuri zo bam Hija hino shachi kumu baby. Finally girl nje mbonyi bobe. Nobody can love me now for your love, baby girl me can't be without. Nobody can love me now when you love me, you're a criminal. mpenzi we iyo mpeta nkwambitse ubyemere it's only you I'm a boost in there. Sinyiri single ayo single anymore. I'm a boost in there.
So this song ya growing byabaye organic cyane yaritwaye irakurira gendo urimo ukavuga like why what happened to this song?
Like sometimes maybe yeah hari ukuntu nyine back then tuta promotingaga nyine biri intense, you know, I presence ya social media nuvuga ngo I need you try it out ukagerageza kuri posting one of your songs, bro, boom, you know. Yes. Promotion back then that ndemeza yuko if tukunitari iri stiff yara lackingaga, so bishobora no like nk'umyaka ingahe iziye dushobora kubona nk'andi ma trend stars afite 10 years old. Yeah.
Tugana ku musozo, AMALON ni cye kintu ubona ku isi kiba cyashyizweho nk'itegeko cyangwa se ubona cyemewe cyakabaye gikurwaho cyangwa se ikintu gituma isi boring, like what do you think is that cyakabaye kivaho gituma isi boring?
Gusa ni nk'igikira isi ariko ntabwo iboa, my guy. Let me say maybe kubaho iyo bidakenera money. Yeah.
That's big.
Yeah.
Nihe myenda utakambara?
Nta myenda nta kwambara.
Nihe hantu utaragera mu Rwanda ufitiye amatsiko yo kugera?
Nshaka kuzajya muri office za His Excellency nkareba ukuntu aba yicaye n'ukuntu aba bimeze. Yeah.
Iyo wariye neza wariye gute AMALON?
Full diet, indyo yuzuye, like a balanced diet. Yeah.
Nakaye kazi utarakoraho?
Nitwo gusa nitwinshi.
Kuri iki?
Big Sunny. Wasani original. Abaririmbyi muri hutwe tubita wasani, so ndi wasani nanjye.
Mu bijyanye no kwambara outfit wiha amanota ku 10 wiha amanota ngahe?
Town boy, kubera yuko ndiyambika full time kandi people tell me that I look nice, so my G, it's a 20 out of 10, you know.
Ibe biryo uzi guteka?
Hafi ya byose. Yeah.
How is your current situation in relationship?
Good. Just
you dating?
Look, I'm a big boy now.
But
yeah.
ask that.
I mean, look, I got situations, man. Yeah. Situations, not situationships. But I got a lot of stuff moving on. Yeah.
So I would like to take this time ngo ngushimire cyane. You are one of these artists bari unique byatari. Ugenda utinda gusohora indirimbo ukabona abaye nka demonstration cyangwa ari nk'imyigaragambyo mito yabaye vuga yo buci bimeze gute. You are one of
big thanks to my fans, like look, respect, like ni credit igomba kujya ku bafana, like to my fans, thank you so much. Like nkuko natanje mbikubwira nanjye like ntago bajya batuma sometimes anije mancha kwikwamira, bro. Hari nk'umunsi babyukiye bati bro, are you okay? Like mvuga ni no time to sleep, let me get working, you know. So you know mpamvu like na choosing gukora body of work, you know, pana like singles, and you know I had to do something chidi heavy, you know, for my fans, you know.
So thank you, man, for this talent, this delivery. We love you, appreciate you. The game respects you a lot, man.
Inyorohera hafi ya zose, because
Yambi.
Hello mama, waramutse kunje wamaramuko yanze. Oh, hello mama, ese muraho murakoma, urukumbuzi rwo ni rwinshi, ubwira uti yambi, ubabwira uti yambi, taikuni mwabuze we, AMALON, I'm back again. Nubwo ntigeze, though I never left. I'm here. Respect.